Collectors made of nickel-plated steel. 2 1/2 in to 2 1/4 in reducer. Gaskets made from compressed ceramic fiber, CCF, and will not deteriorate or crack from excessive heat or pressure. Nuts and bolts are included. Spectre's 2 1/2 inch 2 1/4 inch reducers include an extra thick 1/8 inch gasket. This reducer features nickel-plated steel and the gasket is made from compressed ceramic fiber, CCF, which far exceeds typical non-asbestos type gaskets. CCF will not deteriorate or crack from excessive heat or pressure. Nuts and bolts are included ensuring optimum fit and function. Top reviews from the United States. Header collectors HD. Heavy-duty collectors. Great value. We'll definitely buy these again when needed on the next project.